Napkin AI alternative. In this video, we're going to be talking about an alternative for Napkin AI. Now, Napkin AI is a platform that allows you to create infographics straight away by just adding a simple text. And to give you an example, we can go straight over to Napkin AI, and even on their website, you can actually tell what's really going on. So it says get visuals from your text. So whatever text you're going to add, it's going to create a visual infographic of it, and it's going to be pretty cool. It's pretty great for your presentations, and it's pretty hard to top it. So when I bring you an alternative, trust me, I'm not holding back because diagramming AI is one of the greatest diagramming softwares out there. And not only does it create beautiful UML and workflow diagrams for you, it also creates infographics using AI structured, and it also gives you a lot of other to work along with. And the best part is that you can sign up totally for free. So to start things off, you're going to click on sign up for free. In here, you're going to add in your email, and we're also going to add in our password. Now, once we have done all of that, simply click on sign up, and it's going to say go ahead your email for a link. So basically, it's going to give you a confirmation link that you're going to click on, and you are going to be taken to a proper onboarding portal where it's going to show you what happens next once you have signed up with Diagramming AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy my confirmation, and I'm going to be pasting it right here. And once we've done that, we are going to go ahead and see what it gives us. So it says confirmation complete. Thank you for registering. Please wait a second. You will automatically be logged in. And here we are. So this is where diagramming AI starts. Now, to get straight into it, what you're going to do is you're going to click on add new project. And once we click on add new project, it's going to go ahead and load us into this section. So first of all, as you can see, you can use different AIs if you want. So GPT-4o Mini, which is basically ChatGPT. Then we have Gemini, which is the Gemini AI. And then we have Claude, which is the Anthropic AI you can use. Now, moving on, you can also use different colors for your design. So let's say I'm going to go with crimson, and we're going to give it a title. So I'm going to call it Mind Map for Software. And once we do that, you can either use AI, you can use code for your proper structure, you can configure it through code, and you can save notes and a whole lot more. So I'm going to go with AI right now. And you can either chat with the bot for diagram update or add your very own prompts. So let's choose our template first of all. So I want to create a mind map, right? So to create a mind map, the best, detail to add would either be a pie chart, which is pretty cool, or you can add an XY chart. So go ahead and see which, diagram is going to be the best for you. So let's go ahead with an ER diagram, PFK, and output quantity, let's go with high. And here we're going to give it instructions for creating a new diagram. So we're going to go create a diagram of a mind map for software engineers and how they can improve being. Okay. So once you do that, you're simply going to click on generate diagram from here, and you're simply going to wait for it to load in. Okay. And it shouldn't take you a lot of time, by the way. It should be pretty quick relatively. So once it's done, look at that. It looks like this. But obviously, if you don't like the colors, you can go ahead and choose different colors if you want to, and click on generate diagram, and look at that. It changes the whole colored structure. So now we have an ER diagram, which is also giving us a mind map for software engineers. So obviously, as you can see in the ER diagram, this is the father group, which is software engineer, which has strings for engineer, ID, name, experience level, and certifications. Then we move over here. Now, these are all the parent key, and this is the family key, the one family key that we get over here. So, possesses skill, works on project, participates in mentorship, which includes meetings. It consists of tasks and requires training. And after all of this, you're going to receive feedback. That diagramming AI does not play around. It gives you the proper detailings that you need for your work. So that is the best Napkin AI alternative that I can bring you. If you enjoyed it, do let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.